Hi, this is Antminer Repair, and this video is about an experience I'm currently having buying used Antminers from overseas. So if you like this content, please press subscribe or the bell. Normally, I will talk about repairing Antminers. However, my soldering heat gun is out. I'm waiting for a replacement. So I thought I might do a couple videos in between. We have a brand new Discord channel that I set up also while I'm waiting for that heat gun. I suggest you look down in the comments and join that Discord server. It's free. There's people talking about test ports, about chips replacement, about solder temperatures, about layouts and documentation for the chips. And it's brand new and it's already had um, great discussions. So please join that Discord. And so let's go. Here's the situation. I decided to buy 6 more used Antminers from overseas to fill out my power grid. So I went shopping. I found a vendor, found a good price, waited a few weeks, and then the vendor sent me, I think, 9 different videos of 13, 12 different Antminers. So I've got 9 videos of 12 Antminers, and I had to choose which one I want, which 6 I wanted. So, so I'm gonna put the videos that were sent to me together, and with the video numbers on a graphic before each video, and then I want you guys to tell me either in the comments or throw it on Discord which ones you would have chosen and why. I know that's a lot, but pick a couple and say I would have taken these because these are such and such. So I had to choose 6 of them, and they're getting shipped right now. I'll let you know, probably in the comments on this video, which 6 I chose and how well I chose them, if they're running or not. We'll see. There's very little information on the videos, so good luck here, and appreciate to see what your rationale for choosing a used T17 Antminer with about 40 seconds of video, how you would do that. So enjoy, and I'll be back to repairing and doing some soldering probably in about 4 or 5 days, I hope. So this one is to just have you think about how you buy them. Thank you.